Create a 3-minute YouTube video about ये है नया iPhone 15, एक फोन जो सिर्फ नहीं, what a technology that's the future of me. I have a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. The color is great and exceptional. Yes, the video is very clear. The games are very clear. It's super smooth and crystal clear. 48 मेगापिक्सल्स का प्रो कैमरा सिस्टम के साथ अब कोई पल नहीं छूटेगा. लो लाइट हो या डे लाइट, हर शॉट होगा परफेक्शन. अल्ट्रा वाइड एंगल या जूम, जो देखेगा बस वाओ कहेगा. Performance at its best. The A17 Bionic chip, it's amazing. Multitasking, gaming and creativity, सब कुछ मिलेगा blazing fast. Yep, chip speed is next level. बैटरी की चिंता बिल्कुल भी नहीं. एक बार चार्ज करो और मिलेगी बैटरी लाइफ अब तो 26 घंटे की. अब no interruption, सिर्फ uninterrupted performance. Look, when someone wants to use the iPhone 15, they just show their face to the phone. It's as simple as looking at the screen, and the advanced Face ID technology does the rest. The phone recognizes your unique facial features and unlocks all by itself. It's super easy and incredibly fast. No need to remember complicated passwords or patterns. This feature not only makes accessing your phone convenient, but also keeps everything safe. Security mein koi compromise nahi. Your personal data, photos and apps are all protected. With Face ID, your phone will only unlock for you. Ek nazar aur bas, unlocked. It's like having a personal security guard in your pocket, ensuring that your information stays private and secure at all times. The last picture shows all the pretty colors you can choose from. Black, gold, white and deep blue. All lined up nicely. Each color option brings its own unique charm and personality to the iPhone 15, allowing you to pick one that best suits your style and preference. iPhone 15, a combination of elegance, power, and the future. With its sleek design and advanced features, it not only looks stunning, but also performs exceptionally well. Whether you're taking photos, playing games, or multitasking, the iPhone 15 is designed to meet all your needs with style and efficiency. The last scene shows the Apple logo and a catchy phrase on the screen, symbolizing innovation and excellence. While the shiny iPhone 15 is sparkling in the background, showcasing its sleek design and cutting-edge technology. This means the iPhone 15 helps make every moment special, capturing life's precious memories with stunning clarity and detail. And you have the power to shape your future with it. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, the iPhone 15 is more than just a phone. It's a tool for creativity, productivity, and connection. Whether you're capturing breathtaking photos, staying organized, or connecting with loved ones, the iPhone 15 empowers you to do it all with confidence and style. Embrace the future with the iPhone 15 and let it be your companion in every step of your journey.